how to enable airplane mode to save battery. You would have seen an airplane icon on your smartphone, but do you wonder about its usage? It allows users to enable airplane mode that assists in turning off the wireless reception to stop comms equipment embarked on an airplane. By enabling this mode, users won't receive any sort of disruption, including calls, texts, emails, and more over the phone network. Why should you enable airplane mode? According to a CNN report, out of 283,300 US flights between 2003 and 2009, there were only 75 instances of suspected electronic interference causing equipment glitches. To this day, no airline accident has been definitively linked to cell phone use. These airplane mode rules are potentially a holdover from a time when we didn't fully understand the cellular signals coming in. It's essential to enable airplane mode in your phone during a flight as a precautionary measure. How to enable airplane mode on iOS. Firstly, navigate to the control center. Then click on the airplane icon. Now click on the Switch on Airplane Mode. To turn it off, go back to the Control Center, click on the airplane icon, and click on Turn Off. How to enable airplane mode on Android. Firstly, navigate to the Settings app. Then click on your airplane icon. Now click on Switch Off or On Airplane Mode. Does airplane mode save battery? According to Collins, in addition to preventing interference, airplane mode also helps conserve your phone's battery. Most phones use much battery power when connected to the mobile network, so airplane mode can help your battery last longer. In 2016, Wirecutter conducted a test to find out whether airplane mode assists in conserving battery or not on both Android and iPhones. However, the test confirmed that browsing media in airplane mode reduced battery compared to the ordinary mode in a similar period. In conclusion, airplane mode is a great option that doesn't only conserve your phone's battery, but also helps to avoid disruption in quiet places such as cinemas, important meetings, and more while disabling cellular data access.